Hi everyone! Welcome to day 7 of our Beginner to Fluent English in 7 Days series. You made it to the final day. That means you're serious about becoming fluent, and I'm proud of you. Today's lesson is all about real conversation practice. We've learned how to think in English, use daily sentences, practice questions, tenses, and build confidence. Now, it's time to put everything together and speak like a natural English speaker. Let's start with a simple morning conversation. Good morning. How are you today? I'm good, thank you. What about you? I'm fine too. Did you sleep well? Yes, I did. I woke up early and went for a walk. That's great. I also started my day with some exercise. Nice. Exercise really keeps you active and fresh. Now, let's move to a friendly chat. So, what are your plans for today? I'll study English for an hour, then go to the market. That's good. Are you going alone? No, my friend is coming with me. We'll also have lunch outside. Sounds fun. Where do you plan to eat? Maybe at a small cafe nearby. I love their sandwiches. Now imagine you meet someone after a long time. Hey, long time, no see. Yeah, it's been months. How have you been? I've been great, just busy with work. And you? Same here. Life has been hectic but good. We should catch up more often. Yes, absolutely. Let's meet this weekend. Here's a work or school conversation example. Hey, did you finish your project? Almost. I just need to check a few details. That's nice. The teacher said it's due tomorrow. Yes, I'll complete it tonight. Good luck. Thanks. I'll need it. Now, let's practice shopping conversation. Excuse me, how much is this dress? It's 800 rupees. Can you give me a discount? Sorry, it's already on sale. Okay, I'll take it. Please pack it. Sure, anything else? No, that's all. Thank you. You're welcome. Next, a restaurant conversation. Good afternoon. Can I get a table for two, please? Sure, this way please. Thank you. Can I see the menu? Here you go. What would you like to have? I'll take a sandwich and a cup of coffee. Okay, your order will be ready soon. Thanks. I'm really hungry. See how simple these conversations are? You already know these words. All you need is practice. Don't wait for perfection. Just speak with confidence. Now, let's talk about your Day 7 challenge. For the next 7 days, speak in English for at least 5 minutes daily. Talk to yourself, to your friends, or even record your voice. You can talk about your day, your plans, your dreams or anything. Remember, fluency doesn't come from knowing difficult words.